This 2023 Nexus Viper 27 volts is a Class B plus RV. It is located in Nokomis, FL 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bedroom. This 2023 Nexus Viper 27 volts is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.